A data breach at medical supplier Inogen, potentially affecting 30,000 customers, the Nova Scotia breach that affected 7,000 documents and sparking up a class action lawsuit, and the Ikea TaskRabbit app is back online after an unauthorized user gained access into their system. That's coming right up. Hi everyone, this is Jay Trin and you're watching the GlassHouse Gazette, bringing you the latest in cybersecurity news. If you'd like to stay up to date in the world of security, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss anything. Inogen, a medical device manufacturer based in California, recently stated that an employee's emails were accessed by an unauthorized user between January 2nd and March 14th of this year. Though Inogen believes that no payment card information was affected, the emails in question contained attachments that may have contained customer information such as name, address, phone number, email address, birth date, date of death, Medicare, and insurance information. In a swift response to the breach, Inogen has been notifying the affected parties and providing credit monitoring services and bolstering their internal security operations. In the province of Nova Scotia, 7,000 documents were allegedly affected by the Freedom of Information Provincial website breach, which occurred between March 3rd and 5th, with an estimated 250 documents containing highly sensitive information. This includes social insurance numbers, birth dates, and addresses. Earlier this week, it became known that a high school student downloaded 7,000 documents from the website, prompting a raid on his home where he lived with his parents. He is facing up to a decade in prison for his actions, but lawyers argue that the team accessed publicly available data as no hack occurred and no passwords were stolen, and that the website administrators failed to properly secure the sensitive information. Ikea-owned task management app for freelancers, TaskRabbit, was intentionally taken down by the company following a potential security breach on April 17th. TaskRabbit notified its users and urged them to change their passwords for the app and website, as well as for any websites where they may have used the same password. Just yesterday, TaskRabbit was back online and stated that the investigation is ongoing, and early evidence indicated that an unauthorized access had occurred and personally identifiable information may have been compromised. Here are a few ways GlassHouse Systems can help keep your organization secure from cyber threats: 24/7/365 managed security services, security intelligence, and endpoint and data protection. Want to stay ahead of cyber threats? Start by subscribing to our channel and check us out at www.glasshousesystems.com.